As opposed to, say, a floor under your feet or walls on all sides, the proverbial roof over your head is synonymous with shelter and comfort. If you've ever had to use every pot and saucepan in your cupboard to catch water dripping from your ceiling, then you know how fast a situation with your roof declines. Keep a lookout for these signs that the writing is on the wall for your roof. Your roof is pushing the quarter-century mark in age. Cracked, damaged, or buckled shingles, damage to the flashing around vents, skylights, and chimneys that seals the seams of the roof against weather, moisture, rotting boards or saggy spots, moss or mold, and of course, the dreaded leaky ceiling. Now that you've pinpointed the problem, you're probably wondering how much you're going to have to shell out for shingles. Of course, if you only need repairs, costs can vary widely. So we'll just go ahead and assume the worst, that you're going to need a full roof replacement, like we're going to show you here today. Now, in the typical scope of work, roof replacement includes stripping off the old shingles and exposing the roof deck. Underlayment is then applied to the deck to help protect it from the elements. New shingles are installed on the top of the underlayment. If the decking is damaged, it'll need to be repaired to prevent further damage, shoring up flashing and gutter work to ensure a tight seal and good drainage. The average homeowner can expect to pay $5,000 to $9,000 for a 1,500 square foot roof, and about $7,000 to $12,000 for a 2,000 square foot roof. The major contributing factors to your final roof cost will be roofing materials and the size of your roof. But other contributing factors include roof slope. The steeper the slope, the steeper the price. Home height. The higher your house, the higher the price. Ease of access. Obstructive landscaping or other features making roofers' job harder will cost you. Decking condition. Better condition, better deal. Roof design. Less is actually less in this case. Simple designs are cheaper. Fancier ones fetch a fancier price. And location, location, location. Your results will vary based on the cost of labor and materials where you live. Now, you can calculate your own rough estimate by multiplying the cost of the roofing material you want by the square footage of your roof. Clay or slate tiles cost $12 to over $20 per square foot at the high end. Metal, rubber, or PVC costs $6 to $13 per square foot in the mid-range. And asphalt wood or wood shake shingles cost around $3 to $9 per square foot at the low end, with asphalt being the most common choice among homeowners. When you go to hire somebody to work on your roof, be sure only to use a vetted, licensed, and insured company, as the roofing realm is one particularly populated by fly-by-night types. Now you got that handled, it's time to raise the roof. Are people not doing this anymore? Yeah, I don't care. I like it.